Welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's travel with DN9. Today we are in Melbourne and we are visiting Dfo in South Wharf. Dfo is located just outside of the free tram zone, but still you can walk there from the free tram zone. We got down from the tram and walked across the Webb Bridge to get to Dfo. The Webb Bridge is a very beautiful bridge across Yarra River. Dfo or Direct Factory Outlet is a shopping centre with outlet stores from domestic and international brands. There are a few different entrances to this shopping centre. This is one of them. But we will keep walking until we find the next one so that we can show that to you guys too. Here is the next entrance. We are planning to show you most of the stores briefly today. We can find a few famous shoes brand like Adidas, Nike, Puma and Fila. Let's keep walking and see what we can find today. Now we are going to level 1. Level 1 is usually dedicated for homemaker items. There are information screens in several locations. As you can see, now we are walking towards an information screen. There is a list of stores and floor maps which are displayed in these information screens. If you already know the store you are visiting and want to save some time, these information screens are very handy. Some of the items are on sales at the moment. You can also get some items at discounted prices in Dfo. Now we are going to exit the shopping centre. This exit is near the entrance to the Melbourne Convention Exhibition Centre. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is released. Also, please like, comment and share with your friends. Bye for now. See you again in another video.